guys, we're just going to do a quick recap here of that lesson 6-1 video of the percent proportion. Just to remind you how we did this in the video so you can go through the team huddle questions and homework for today. So remember, we had our part over our whole equals our percent over 100. Percent is per 100, so our denominator there will always be 100. So our first question here, what percent of 8 is 20? So remember, part was our is, whole was our of. We're looking for percent. So what percent of 8 is 20? So our part is 20, our whole is 8. We're looking for our percent over 100. Now notice, your numerator is larger than your denominator this time. That is okay. That just means we're going to have a percent over 100. So we do our cross multiply. So 8 times x gives us 8x. 20 times 100 gives us 2,000. Divide by the number with the variable. And x equals 250%, which makes sense because our numerator again was larger than our denominator. Let's do double check. Yes, we are correct, 250%. So don't be thrown off if your part is larger than your whole. All right, next one, 9 is 20% of what number? We're looking for the of. There's our x. Our is, remember, was is over of, so part over whole equals percent over 100. You just need to practice setting these up. Cross multiply and divide. 20 times x gives us 20x. 9 times 100 gives us 900. Divide by the number with the variable. And 900 divided by 20 gives us x equals 45. We're just looking for a number this time, so there's your answer. So we've done a find the percent, we've done a find the part. So now this last one, find 6% of 100. So we have our of, that's our whole. So there's your denominator. We have our percent. We know it's over 100, so what are we looking for? We're looking for our part. So then we do our cross multiply. X times 100 is 100x. 300 times 6 gives us 1,800. Divide both sides by 100. And x equals 18. So there's finding the part. There's one example of each, and now we're going to do one quick word problem here. Of the 120 math tests, 47 were B's. To the nearest tenth, what percent of the math tests were B's? Okay, so we know there are 120 total math tests. Total is our whole, that goes in our denominator. 47 were B's, there's your part. I'm looking for what percent. So percent is our variable. Again, percent is always over 100. Scooch this down a little bit. Now that we're set up, we cross multiply divide. 100 times x is 120x. 47 times 100, 4,700. Again, divide by the number with the variable. And we get 4,700 divided by 120. It's 39, sorry. Point. Want it around to the nearest tenth. So if you were to look at your calculators, it would be 39.166 repeating. So that's 6 rounds of 1 up to a 2. Talking about percent, so make sure we label percent. All right, now that you guys have watched the recap, you're going to go ahead and work on the team huddle and then work on your homework for tonight.